Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel at Future Way Next. I hope you're doing well. Today, we're going to talk about Get Canada PR after 30 to 45 years, best pathways for Expressentry, and low CRS score. Before we start, make sure to stick around till the end for all the info. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for updates. Now, let's get into it. Today we'll talk about Get Canada PR pathways for applicants over 30 years and with low CRS scores and study work strategy for couples. So to get all the information, pay attention and watch the video through to the end. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Permanent residency in Canada. 6 pathways for applicants over 30 years embarking on the journey towards Canadian permanent residency. PR can be a daunting task, especially for individuals over 30 years of age. As age advances, so does the challenge of meeting the comprehensive ranking system CRS requirements set by the Expressentry program. However, fear not, for there are avenues available that can pave the way to your Canadian dream. Before delving into these pathways, it's essential to grasp the dynamics of the CRS system. The CRS awards points based on various factors, including age, education, work experience, language proficiency, and adaptability. Among these, age holds significant weight, with applicants between 20 to 29 years acre the highest possible CRS points. With each passing year post 29, applicants witness a gradual decline in their CRS points, making it increasingly arduous to meet the program's cutoff scores. For instance, individuals age 30 start losing about 5 points annually, culminating in a substantial reduction by the time they hit their mid-30s. By age 35, CRS points have dwindled to approximately 70, further plummeting as the years progress. Consequently, applicants find themselves facing a daunting challenge in securing sufficient points solely based on age. However, all hope is not lost. Let's explore 6 strategic pathways that individuals over 30 can leverage to bolster their chances of obtaining Canadian PR even with a low CRS score. Canadian work experience advantage. If you possess substantial work experience in Canada, you can gain additional CRS points, thereby offsetting the age factor. Applicants, whether applying alone or with a spouse, can earn an extra 80 or 70 points respectively through Canadian work experience. This underscores the significance of securing employment within the Canadian labour market. Family connections in Canada. Having a sibling residing in Canada can prove beneficial. Applicants with a sibling in Canada gain an additional 15 CRS points, offering a slight boost towards meeting the eligibility threshold. While this may not suffice on its own, every point counts in the pursuit of Canadian PR. French language proficiency in the French language presents a golden opportunity to augment CRS points. Individuals proficient in French can earn a substantial 50 additional points, thus enhancing their overall CRS score. This underscores the importance of bilingualism in the Canadian immigration landscape. Canadian educational credentials. Pursuing higher education in Canada holds immense value in the eyes of the CRS system. Applicants obtaining a degree or higher from a Canadian educational institution an extra 30 CRS points, strengthening their candidacy for Canadian PR. This underscores the significance of investing in Canadian education as a pathway to permanent resident skilled work experience. By the time applicants reach their 30s and beyond, they often boast extensive years of skilled work experience, a valuable asset coveted by the Canadian labour market. Leveraging this wealth of experience, coupled with credible references or affiliations in Canada, can facilitate the procurement of a Canadian job offer. Securing employment in Canada not only enhances one's CRS score but also fosters integration into the Canadian workforce, aligning with the country's immigration objectives. Provincial nominee programs PNP and other streams beyond the federal Expressentry system. Various provincial nominee programs PNPs and other immigration streams offer alternative pathways to Canadian PR. These programs often prioritize factors such as work experience, language proficiency, and ties to the respective provinces, providing avenues for individuals over 30 to navigate the immigration landscape successfully. Canada PR 6 pathways for individuals above 30 years or with low CRS scores. 1 Canadian job offer. Bridging the gap in the dynamic landscape of Canadian immigration. A job offer from a Canadian employer holds immense value. Securing one can inject a substantial 200 additional CRS points into your profile, effectively offsetting any age-related CRS score decrement. Leveraging professional networks, intercompany transfers, or online job portals like LinkedIn and Indeed can help you navigate towards a lucrative job offer. Detailed strategies for securing a Canadian job offer remotely are explored in dedicated resources, ensuring a seamless transition to your new Canadian workplace. 2. Provincial nomination programs PNP. Tailored opportunities. Provincial nomination programs PNPs serve as an invaluable alternative or complement to the federal Expressentry program, with each province and territory in Canada offering its own set of PNPs. Applicants gain access to specialized pathways aligned with regional job market demands. PNPs can be broadly categorized into 2 types. Express-entry-oriented PNPs programs like the Alberta Expressentry stream offer a direct pathway to PR by granting a nomination certificate, translating to a significant boost of 600 CRS points. Expression of interest EOI-based PNPs initiatives such as the Manitoba PNP program allow applicants to submit separate applications directly to the province, offering a diverse range of pathways unbound by express entry constraints. Each PNP entails distinct eligibility criteria and application processes, necessitating thorough research and tailored strategies for successful navigation. 3. Startup Visa entrepreneurial endeavors for aspiring entrepreneurs with innovative business ideas. The Startup Visa program provides a viable pathway to Canadian PR. Unlike traditional immigration routes, the Startup Visa program prioritizes entrepreneurial potential over academic credentials or language proficiency by securing endorsement from designated organizations and demonstrating the ability to create employment opportunities and foster sustainable business growth. Applicants can secure their place in this entrepreneurial EOS system. 4. Agri-Food Pilot Program nurturing agricultural talent targeted towards individuals with expertise in the agricultural and food sectors. The Agri-Food Pilot Program offers a streamlined pathway to Canadian PR with relaxed language proficiency requirements, CLB4, and minimal educational prerequisites. This program caters to a diverse pool of skilled workers, whether you possess experience in food production, livestock management, or agricultural research. The Agri-Food Pilot Program provides a promising avenue for career advancement and permanent settlement in Canada. 5. Caregiver or Home Support Pilot Programs compassionate contributions designed to address the growing demand for skilled caregivers in Canada. The Caregiver and Home Support Pilot Programs offer a compassionate pathway to PR with job offers readily available in households across Canada. Qualified caregivers can embark on a rewarding journey towards permanent residency. These 5-year pilot programs prioritize individuals with at least 2 years of relevant work experience, facilitating the seamless integration of caregivers and their families into Canadian society. 6. Strategic financial planning maximizing opportunities for motivated individuals or couples seeking alternative pathways to Canada. Strategic financial planning can unlock unforeseen opportunities by adopting a frugal lifestyle and prioritizing prudent financial management. Individuals can capitalize on budget-friendly immigration avenues. While this option may necessitate meticulous planning and disciplined budgeting, it offers a viable pathway to Canadian PR for resourceful applicants. Canada PR, the study work strategy for couples. Understanding the study work dynamic. The essence of the study work strategy lies in the symbiotic relationship between educational pursuits and professional endeavors. Here's how it unfolds. Enrollment and study program. One spouse enrolls in a study program at a Canadian university pursuing either a master's or a PhD degree. This step secures a student permit, laying the foundation for academic advancement and eventual PR application. Full-time employment for the other spouse. Simultaneously, the other spouse assumes full-time employment, shouldering the responsibility of meeting daily expenses. This ensures financial stability during the study period and sets the stage for future career progression. Advantages of the study work strategy. Dual income streams. By dividing responsibilities between study and work, couples benefit from dual income streams, mitigating financial strain and facilitating smoother integration into Canadian society. Enhanced career prospects. The spouse pursuing higher education gains valuable skills and qualifications, augmenting their career prospects and laying a robust foundation for long-term professional growth. Extended work permit duration. Upon completion of the study program, the student's spouse qualifies for a post-graduation work permit, typically valid for up to 3 years. This extended duration provides ample time to secure employment and accumulate Canadian work experience, bolstering CRS scores and PR eligibility. Pathway to permanent residency. With Canadian education and work employment, and accumulate Canadian work experience, bolstering CRS scores and PR eligibility. Pathway to permanent residency with Canadian education and work experience in hand. Couples position themselves favorably for PR through the Expressentry program. The additional CRS points garnered through Canadian work experience and education serve as a catalyst, significantly enhancing their chances of receiving an invitation to apply. Navigating the study work strategy. Practical considerations. Selecting the right program. Choosing a study program aligned with long-term career goals is paramount. Opting for disciplines in high-demand sectors or emerging industries enhances employability and PR prospects. Utilizing post-graduation work permit. The post-graduation work permit offers a critical window of opportunity for securing Canadian employment. Networking. Leveraging university resources, financial burden. Scholarships, part-time work opportunities, and budgeting strategies can optimize financial resources and minimize debt accumulation. Exploring provincial nomination programs. Some provinces offer pathways to PR specifically tailored for international graduates. Exploring provincial nomination programs post-graduation can expedite PR processes and enhance overall immigration prospects. Long-term vision. Building a life in Canada beyond the immediate goal of securing PR. The study work strategy lays the groundwork for a fulfilling life in Canada with dual income streams, professional advancement opportunities, and a supportive academic environment. Couples can envision a future characterized by stability, growth, and prosperity. Conclusion. Empowering couples on their Canadian journey. In conclusion, the study work strategy emerges as a dynamic and strategic pathway towards Canadian permanent residency for couples navigating age constraints or low CRS scores. By leveraging educational opportunities, professional pursuits, and strategic planning, couples can unlock the doors to their Canadian dream. As they embark on this transformative journey, they pave the way for a brighter, more promising future in the land of opportunities, Canada. That is all for today in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully the information is useful to you. See you later in the next episode. Till then, take care.